Before we start the lightning round, I want to be sure this is on your radar screen. Last week, we unveiled the CNBC Investing Club. It's a passion project of mine that I'm excited for you to be a part of. It means a lot to me. This is about educating, teaching, and recommending so that you can find an investment that suits you. I want you to think of us as a brokerage house, if we don't want your commissions. We just want you to learn. That's what matters to me. It's always mattered to me. So make sure you're ready for tomorrow's pre-market newsletter by heading to cnbc.com/investing club or scan the QR code, which will take you right there to sign up. And I hope you join me. And now it is time. It is time for the lightning round. Here's what's up, and then the lightning round is over. Are you ready? Steve, Dad, have a lightning round. Let's go to Kelly in Illinois. Kelly.
Yeah, booyah, Jim.
Booyah.
GrowGeneration. It's a company seems to be doing everything right, but the stock is like stuck in quicksand.
Well, you know, we recommended it in the teens. When it got to the 40s, we decided that was good enough. No more to it, and we have not looked back. Let's go to Richard in California. Richard.
Good evening, Jim. Thank you for taking my call. I've got questions about Vale, symbol VALE.
Look, iron ore. I mean, this is a company that is a tortured company that I don't want you to touch. It has too many environmental issues, and I think that the Chinese economy, which provides a lot of the buying, has cooled. Kevin in Massachusetts. Kevin.
Big booyah, Jim.
Massive booyah back at you.
Rockstar. Hey, before I get to my equity, is NVIDIA a German Shepherd?
No, it's actually a cattle dog. 47%. It's an Australian cattle dog. But thank you for asking. I saw some NVIDIA people in the street there, a guy in the street today, and he said, "Oh boy, I love you," and I said, "I love NVIDIA right back." How can I help?
My equity is Bionano Genomics.
Oh, man. All right, well, that's about as speculative. That's as speculative as you can get. Understand that one could be cut in half and no one would care. That's really the problem. Vito in New Jersey. Vito.
Hey, Jim. Booyah from East Brunswick.
Oh, man, good to have you on the show. What's going on?
Long-time fan. I love your show. Listen, I'm calling about Plug Power, ticker symbol PLUG.
Okay, I love hydrogen. I was talking today at a staff meeting. We were talking about the investment club, and I said, look, I am a huge believer in green hydrogen. Plug is the most visible way to play it. A lot of positive news about it. I myself prefer the actional. Well, oh boy, I bought it for them. But I prefer one thing, and one thing only. I prefer Linde. Why Linde? Because they make they are the largest maker of hydrogen, and boy, do you ever need a lot of hydrogen to have green hydrogen. Let's go to Richard in Washington. Richard! Oh, man.
How are you, sir?
What was it?
How are you, sir?
I am doing well. How about you?
I'm great. Thank you. Thank you, perhaps, Mr. Cramer. Sir, I was calling about Ocugen. It sounds like it's a pretty solid company. It sounds like the vaccine they're putting out has high efficiency. Sounds like a win-win. It looks like a lot of countries are already signing up and with Ocugen.
A lot of marbles there. Sound like a marble. I'm little, I want to do Richard justice, but I couldn't really hear that. Ocugen, Me Too COVID play? No, thank you. I'm a seller. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by TD Ameritrade. Coming up, crypto, fintech, and a generation's lingering scorn for big banks. Is Jamie Dimon the man to steer JP Morgan through these modern headwinds? Cramer makes the call. Next. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.